Today we're going to be doing another Android radio. This one actually has something that a lot of you guys will simply love, and it has to do with the price. You get it with the Amazon Prime. It is a plug and play type of radio. It works for any Camry from 2007 all the way up to 2011, basically a plug and play type of scenario here. And this one comes with wireless CarPlay, wired Android Auto. It has Android 10.1. It has a 1024 by 600 resolution on the screen. It is a 9-inch. And check this out, it comes with a reverse camera included. This is one of the best deals that I've ever seen. So anyways, the packaging, well, it is not the best. It comes in a small box. I did get it with the Amazon Prime service. So the first things that we get in here, it's like a little quick start guide. Keep in mind that if your Camry from 2007 to 2011 comes equipped with JBL, you can still install this, but you need an extra harness with what they call a CAN bus system on it. So you have to just check and see if the doors on your Camry has the little JBL logo for the speakers and whatnot. If it does, then you know that you will automatically need extra harnesses. So this is the harness that will connect to the radio right here, and this is the one that gets connected to the car. This radio also supports steering wheel controls. We get this harness for accessories, including here the microphone as well. Okay, it comes included with it here in this package. We get the GPS antenna and some USB ports as well, as you guys can observe right here. And one of these harnesses is also for the rear view camera, which is this one here. So it comes with about 3 harnesses inside of that bag. On here we had the reverse camera that came included with it. Very cool. We're going to be looking at this later. I might not show you how to install the rear view camera, as there's a lot of videos out there. Mainly I want to show you guys how this radio works. Also, keep in mind that I did already work on a 2010 Toyota Camry a couple of years back. It comes with microphones. It comes with everything you need to have a pretty decent system. And what I'm excited about is that even though this is not an OLED display like we have seen on the more expensive radios, having a 1024 by 600 resolution on a car radio, that's actually quite high. That's almost 720p, so that's not bad at all. Check this out, guys. This is the unit right here. We have 50 times 4 wattage here for the speaker, so that's quite average. And on the front, we can already see the display right here. We have the home key, the menu key, the back key, the volume rockers. We also get a built-in microphone and a reset button. So it is quite standard for Chinese radios. I'm gonna leave this film on for when I am installing it so that we don't get any scratches on the screen. So we can see here that the bezel is for the Camry. So it fits right on. This is supposed to be a plug and play. On the back, we have the main harness connector with the accessory harnesses connections right here. The FM antenna. We have the GPS antenna, and that's about it, guys. So without further ado, let's jump to the car, install this baby, and give you guys my overall thoughts about it. Here we go.